Hi my loves, welcome back to another episode of Mel's Talking Hands. So today's video is going to be short but sweet, but I do this annually and this is what what we got for our 24th wedding anniversary. So in this video I also have Hubby with me.
Hey, let's celebrate our anniversary together.
Yes, but it is a little bit late because
It's never too late.
It's never too late to reveal it. Let me just show you the very first item that I got and then I can explain it a little bit more. Okay, so here we go. It is something from Cleef Arpels. So for those of you that have been following me for ages, you probably know what this is. It's sort of like a tradition on our anniversary that I get a little piece. I like to add Cleef pieces on special occasions. That way it attaches a memory to it.
Yeah, you like collecting them now. It's really nice.
Yeah, it's sort of collecting them. I haven't collected them every single year, but I kind of wish I got a couple of years before. But anyway, let me show you what this is. So this is Cleef's new packaging, and I'm actually going to show you the difference. I didn't get it in this box, but I'll just explain. So you would have seen these all over Instagram when they first came out in early October, but yes, a lot of you asked me. I did end up getting the beautiful limited edition silver obsidian holiday pendant, and it is in rose gold with a diamond in the center. So the reason why this took longer to reveal, let me just put it down, is because I actually got the necklace extended and it is a free service. You can actually extend it up to 12 months after your purchase. Otherwise it costs like about $250. So I brought my other ones just for a little bit of eye candy to show you, because I did actually get last year's one, which is the blue Celadon porcelain. I actually got this extended at the same time because when I did get this extended, because I purchased this at the start of October, this was last year, so it was just within the 12 months, give or take a few days. So that was okay. But all these ones are not extended. So I actually added 5 centimeters. So if we do a quick comparison, I'll actually try this on for you. But this is 5 centimeters longer than the regular length, as you can see. If I wanted to extend this now, it would cost $250. But these two I got complimentary because it's within 12 months. So I just wanted to show you my little collection.
So which one do you like the best?
Oh gosh.
You can only choose one, come on. Is it the grey obsidian, the porcelain, or the pink, what's that one called again?
Rhodonite.
Rhodonite.
Yeah, so this is from 2022. 2021. This is the white guilche. This is not limited edition. So I only own now with this one 4. I think my favorite would probably be, it's really hard. I like them all for different reasons. What's your favorite?
I still quite like the pink one.
Oh, the rhodonite?
Yeah, it kind of reminds me of like that candy that you used to eat when you were a kid that kind of crumbles in your mouth.
What's that one
I don't know,
called?
it's like a powdery type of candy. It kind of looks like really sweet, and it is pink, so I like that one.
You like that one?
Yeah.
So those are my 4. I love them. I think I've worn this one the most because I've been really into like white gold lately.
Do you want me to help you?
Yes, please. Probably the pink or the white gold guilche.
I like that guilche one. That's one of my faves.
So when I actually did get that, I opted for the older box. I just quickly wanted to show you. So this is what I actually got the silver obsidian in. And I much prefer this box than the new packaging. Like even the box, this one, to be completely honest, guys, feels a little bit more flimsier than this. And I just love the actual jewelry box more. You know, it just seems a lot more luxe with the velvet, whereas in this one only comes with the little pouch and then that. So you don't get another additional pouch with this. So let me know, like I much prefer this one. Also with silver obsidian, they also come in different variations depending on the stone. Silver obsidian ranks quite high on the Mohs scale, ranks about a 5 to 6. And if you want more information on the Mohs scale, which is one of the measures of durability of the stone, in my VCA video earlier this year. I'll link it above. But I picked the one that is a little bit more grey. Just getting hubby to help me, but the one that I picked is sort of a bit more, I would say it's a medium grey. I definitely saw really dark grey, which looked really similar to onyx, but I didn't want that. And then there were lighter versions. So I thought this was a really just beautiful medium shade. And with silver obsidian, it's got this silvery grey sheen. So how pretty is the stone? And I think it looks beautiful with the pink gold as well. Okay, so that is what I got. And then let's move all this aside.
You want some help?
Yes, let's move this all aside and I'll show you. Actually, before we show you what hubby got, I want to show you that my sweet and Cleef SA James, hi James if you're watching, he also sent us beautiful flowers.
Yeah, oh, really nice.
Yeah, I'll put a picture up here. And also we went and had a beautiful dinner.
It was nice.
It was nice. It's always nice to have a fine dining experience out.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
And also this was, I don't remember when my SA gave this to me, but I just wanted to show you because it was so nice that he gave me this gift. It's Van Cleef and Arpels times Charlotte Gusteau. So this was actually from earlier on, from the start of spring, but again, I haven't even opened it up at all. So let's take a look.
Oh, this looks nice.
I know, it's so sweet. How nice is this? It's a beautiful silk scarf.
Wow, that's actually really pretty.
Look how beautiful it is with all the blossoms. So that's the print. Let me see if it's got anything on the card. So each year, Van Cleef & Arpels celebrates the arrival of spring with new beginnings to mark the season of renewal. The Maison partnered with French illustrator Charlotte Gusteau to imagine the bucolic universe. I hope that's how you pronounce it.
I don't even know what that means.
I don't know what that means. It adorns this exclusive silk scarf the Maison is delighted to offer you. Let yourself be charmed by the poetic motifs and the tender hues.
Oh, they are very tender.
That's so pretty. Thank you so much. All right, we're coming up to hubby's unboxing.
Oh, yes, I'm looking forward to this.
It is not a true unboxing, as I said, because this video is kind of late, but you probably guessed hubby loves watches. So it is a watch, but it is from quite an unknown brand. I would say it's like a micro brand.
Yeah, a micro brand, that's right.
And to be honest, guys, I have not really heard about this brand. When we were in Germany and Austria, we did try one of their watches on, which kind of spiked hubby's interest, I reckon.
It did.
And then I saw him checking out this. But anyway, it is...
You're very observant, by the way.
From a brand called Furlon Murray. And the thing is that this is a special collab. It's only one of 200, so super limited. I'm going to let hubby tell you a bit more about it because he knows more about this watch brand and about this collaboration that I do. But I was just sort of looking at it and I thought, oh my gosh, that would be perfect if I could just nab that for him because you had to be super quick fingers.
Well, I'm just surprised that you saw me looking at this. But yeah, it's a collab between
Yep.
Furlon Murray, which is like what you said, it's a micro brand.
Yes.
And it's their first collab with this artist who kind of vandalizes or puts his own spin on watches, and he teams up with other brands, and his brand name is Second.
Right.
Tell them how quickly you had to buy this before it sold out.
I think, well, basically it was, as I said, fastest fingers first, but I think it sold out within 15 minutes.
Oh, something like that. It was really quick.
So I was like, my heart was racing a bit. I'm like, I have to get it. But anyway, it's super cool. I'm going to let hubby, unbox it.
Okay, cool. So you can see the theme is Hertz speed because it's a quartz watch, and I love quartz watches. Not every watch I have has to be an automatic or a manual wind.
Yeah.
I really appreciate quartz watches, and they're handy because they have a battery.
Yes.
But you can see the theme. It's like it's almost like a
First aid box.
A first aid box. So it's a jump starting the love for quartz watches. You can see it there. So even the packaging is pretty cool, yeah?
The packaging I was so impressed with, and I thought this was perfect for, not saying that we need to jumpstart our love or something, but I just love the whole heart theme. I'm a sucker for packaging. I thought this was so cool and unique.
Oh, look, it says here.
Yeah, emergency
kit consisting of a Furlon Murray times second pulsometer
Yeah.
that will make your heart beat again for non-entirely mechanical watches. So there you go. It's pretty cool.
Like, I don't mind quartz watches, but usually hubby does not like, but all your watches are like...
They're mostly mechanical.
Mechanical, yeah.
Mechanical. All right. Okay, so that's
look
the
at
packaging. Let's take it out. Obviously, you've got some paraphernalia there, which we don't need to go into.
I think that's just the certificate and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even the box is pretty cool. All right,
Yes.
here we go.
Here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, we need to do a close-up because it's got can you see that it looks like an emoji within the watch? It is a heart emoji.
How quirky is that? I mean, the actual watch looks quite classic, you
Yeah.
know?
And
then
then,
they smack a heart emoji, like you said, right in the middle of it.
yeah, it's like cartoon.
Cartoony?
Cartoon.
But you're right, it is a bit cartoony.
But that's what makes it quirky and unexpected.
You know what? I have not seen this watch for a while, so I am going to try it on. And it also comes with extra straps in red, and there's another color as well. I think
it
it's
in
in the
here?
box somewhere. It must be under there.
Okay, let's get it. I'll get
I'm
it
just
out
gonna
while you
try
try
this
it
on.
on. Okay, while hubby's putting it on, underneath this little bit, it comes with 2 canvas straps in red, which goes the whole theme, and black, because, you know, black goes with everything as well. But I actually think this packaging is so cool. I was so impressed. And this is sort of like, it's not epi leather, but it's sort of that Saffiano finish.
All right, I've got it on.
Okay.
Here we go. What do you guys think? Is it too quirky or do you guys like it?
I think it is so different and so cool and unique. I love that it's limited. I love that it's a collab.
And you know what the thing I remember is?
It's for anniversary.
Yeah, because it's got the
Love heart.
love heart.
And this was such a good price. It ended up being around 820 USD. So maybe about 1,200, 1,300 Australian.
That's pretty good value.
I think that's really good value.
Well, I'll always remember it, and that's the main thing, and I love it. And I love the fact that you put so much effort in scoring me this watch.
It is my pleasure. And I also love discovering new brands. Oh guys, I forgot, I keep getting this Van Cleef sticker on me. Forgot to tell you, the Silver Obsidian is 3,650 USD or 6,000 Australian dollars. Because you guys know we always reveal price. So that is it for this video, guys. What I got, what hubby got, and also what our lovely SA gave us as well. If you enjoyed my Talking Hands video, give this video a thumbs up.
Yay.
I love when hubby's on my channel, and I think you guys enjoy it too. He should come on more often.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Maybe.
So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye,
See you guys. Bye.